Oh, Bobby! Look at you!
It's clear to see.
Yoo-hoo! Oh, it's massively bubbling beach, isn't it?
Seems small.
Ow! Ow!
We can sit together.
I would not get into a bath that hot. You might.
It's beautiful. You and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Now that is Lake Taupo on a cloudy day. On a cloudy day. Ooh. Yay! Anyway, we'll go into Turangi. Now I better climb down. I shouldn't have climbed up. Yeah, got there. Okay. Before heading into Turangi, we turned left to check out Tokaanu, where Robert thought there was a small walk for us to do. And he was right. There's fish. There's blooming fish in there. There's trout, for goodness sake. Look at them all. A heap of trout. You can't see you. Ducks, you're swimming. Oh, they were avoiding you. Wow, what a decent size. Oh, there's a baby one. Now you're cute. Look at you, a whole family of you. What's over this side then? I don't know what that is. It's not a fish. Only that side. Fine. What we're looking at? No fishing. It's a trout spawning stream. Thank you. Good. Wasn't going to anyway. Oh look, you found it, beach. Tokaanu thermal walk. Yay! This 15-minute thermal walk passes through areas of hot springs used for more than 500 years by local Maori to cook in and bathe in, as the curative properties of the mineral waters was recognised by the early Maori. We have thermal activity. Hey, no trout in there. Good. Different bush, eh? So different from where we just were. Bushwalk number 1. Could be hot. Steaming. Thermal activity, danger, danger. Ooh, ooh. Okay, this is a dead end. What the heck? That green gunk. I don't know what that is. Alright, we shall carry on then, shall we? Ooh, mud. Ooh, boiling mud. Bubbling mud. Okay, it's not pretty. This is a free walk for us to do, isn't it? More bubbling water. It's not mud though, just water boiling. Ooh, more boiling water. It is hot. Down there. Okay. Let's have a sideline. More big swimming holes once. Would they have been? Or cooking holes? What do you reckon? Cooking? That's weird, isn't it? How white that is. What's all that? Ow! Ow! Whoa, that's hot! That is hot! Wow! I would not get into a bath that hot. You might. Why aren't you at school? It's today, Thursday. Maybe they have jobs. They're older children, aren't they? Oh, Bobby! Look at you! Yoo-hoo! Oh, that's cool. Oh, that is super. Look at it. Isn't it? Yes, it is. It's bubbling billy-o. Whoa, look. Could be like a geyser. Oh, that's massively bubbling beach. Isn't it? I don't know if you can see it so well. Wow. Oh. I can't see anything. You just steamed my glasses up now. That's cool, huh? Now, this is where I want a photo, Bobby. Hello, you gorgeous thing, you. Look at you. Aren't you beautiful? Hi, are you friendly? Oh, don't scare me. Where's the trout? They're still there. Still there, Bobby. Look at them all. You didn't see them earlier, Beach? You honestly did not see them? A rainbow! Yay! Outside the Tokaanu pools, and there's a rainbow. Isn't that just lovely? Beautiful. Oh yeah, the chook's following us. We didn't actually do much in Turangi. It was really just a lunch stop for us as time was getting on. Lunch at 3 o'clock on this day. But we really wanted to see how the desert road looked, as it had snowed the day before. And the day after we were there, as it turned out. Where are we, Bobby? Where are we? You're eating, sorry. We're on the desert road. And I'm frozen. My fingers are freezing. But it's lovely. It's just lovely. When it snowed yesterday, didn't it? Not today. It's Ruapehu over there. Narahoe. Whoa, I gotta get inside. Beautiful. Whoa, look at the lake we're coming into. Look how much traffic we've got now. Heaps of us. Is this where it was, down in there? Yeah. Ooh, smashed out windows. Ooh. Next tow truck. Join us on our next adventure, where one of us, R&D Adventurers, puts a stop on our adventures, for a while anyway.